Did you know that a small insect like the mantis could hold secrets crucial for our ecosystems? The risk is real. Relying on artificial intelligence to interpret these delicate signals could lead to catastrophic miscommunication. Many see technology as a game changer for ecology, but what happens when AI misreads the subtle cues of these fascinating creatures? This problem is quietly brewing, and the consequences could be dire. Picture this: you're in the field, observing a mantis flicking its antennae and shifting its posture. Is it signaling danger or distress? If we allow AI to analyze these signals without understanding their true meanings, we risk drawing completely incorrect conclusions. Have you considered the fallout from misinterpreting these communications? The ripple effect on conservation efforts, species interactions, and our responses to climate change could be devastating. A misunderstanding might lead us to protect the wrong habitats or misallocate vital resources. Imagine researchers relying on AI data to decide which areas to preserve. If the AI suggests a location based on flawed interpretations of mantis behavior, an entire ecosystem could be overlooked, teetering on the edge of collapse. Each miscommunication not only threatens the mantis but also misguides our efforts to create sustainable environments. What if these silent signals are the key to achieving ecological balance? We must raise awareness about this issue. Researchers and tech developers need to collaborate to ensure AI models are trained with a comprehensive understanding of insect behavior. This isn't just about coding, it's about grasping the essence of life itself. Our reliance on AI should overshadow the importance of human intuition and observation. Imagine it combining the analytical strength of technology with the nuanced insights of experienced ecologists. So, how do we move forward? By fostering a dialogue between nature and technology, we can uncover hidden risks and create a more informed approach to ecological studies. The challenge is significant, but the potential rewards are even greater. As you reflect on this, consider your role in this vital conversation. Could your voice contribute to this crucial dialogue? Because in the end, every signal matters, and understanding them might just save our ecosystems. What if I told you that our interpretation of mantis signals could be dangerously off? Imagine yourself in a lush green field, listening to their subtle sounds, convinced you've got it all figured out. But what if you're missing the crucial messages they are trying to convey? Mantis communication is not just fascinating, it's vital. As researchers delve deeper into their world, they're uncovering surprising truths. The hidden risks of a misinterpreting mantis signals in ecological studies could reshape our understanding of their role in nature. Consider this: if we rely on technology to decode these signals, are we trusting a system that might completely misrepresent their meanings? It's like a game of telephone, where the message shifts with each person, but the stakes are much higher than you might think. Picture a scientist confidently analyzing data gathered by AI, believing they grasp how mantises interact. But what if the AI misreads a mating signal? This could lead to a significant decline in their population due to our misunderstanding of an essential cue, impacting the entire ecosystem. As researchers uncover these discrepancies, they realize that even minor misinterpretations can have devastating consequences. The very research aimed at protecting these creatures could inadvertently push them closer to extinction. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? What if we're not just misinterpreting signals, but also creating ecological chaos? Each incorrect assumption could trigger a chain reaction, unraveling the intricate web of life that depends on mantises. But there's hope. Researchers are now looking beyond traditional methods. By combining human intuition with they might uncover the true language of mantises. This partnership could redefine how we connect with nature. As we explore this delicate dance of communication, think about the implications. What else might we be misreading in the natural world? Before you go, take a moment to reflect. Are we truly listening to the whispers of nature, or are we stuck in a cycle of misunderstanding? The answers might surprise you. If you found this intriguing, share it with someone who loves nature as much as you do. Let's spark a conversation about the signals we might be overlooking. Did you know that a tiny insect might hold secrets that could change how we understand nature? Misreading their signals could mean missing crucial insights about our ecosystems, and this is happening more often than you might think. Many people assume that communication in nature is straightforward, but when it comes to mantises, the reality is much more complex. You might wonder how such a small creature can influence our understanding of the environment. Researchers are increasingly using AI to decode mantis behaviors, but there's a catch: these systems may overlook the subtle nuances of their communication. It's like trying to grasp a foreign language without understanding the cultural context. What could go wrong? Picture this: you're in a lab analyzing footage of these fascinating creatures. You think you are observing a mating ritual, but what if you miss a warning signal? A single misinterpreted gesture could lead to incorrect conclusions about their populations and habitats. This isn't just a hypothetical scenario. For example, if researchers misread a mantis' defensive posture, they might mistakenly conclude that the population is thriving when, in reality, they are struggling to survive. The implications for conservation efforts could be serious, often going unnoticed until it's too late.